Hariom. Welcome to Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create offset path. First we should know what is offset path. We can see in this image there are three paths. This is the central path, which is a black stroke and a brown fill is there. This is the white color path, which is outside, and there is a dotted line, yellow color line, that is also offset path. The paths which are parallel to previous path are called as offset paths. See, now this image is in zigzag pattern, so it is very difficult manually to create offset path which are looking exactly like previous path. So where we can use this particular offset path feature? Here you can see in this particular image in which I want to give a sticker like look to this particular character. So for that purpose, if we create offset path which runs exactly parallel to this image, it will create a sticker like effect. And in different designs also you can create offset path to make it appear much better. So here I have used offset path. One path is there and the another path is there. See, here I have used two circles. Okay, but the shapes are uniform, then only you can use such thing that two circles, if you use two squares you can use, and you can show them as offset path. But for the images which are like this, which are in zigzag pattern, you have to create offset path. So let's see how to create that. We will open a new project. We will draw something. Okay, now we will close this particular line. For that purpose, click here, select this, click again over this path tool, click over here and close path. So we can see some W like image is formed. We will add some fill to this particular image. Tap over here. We will use some dark color. Okay. We will give color to the background. Tap over here, document, fill color, and we will give some light color. Okay. Now we will create offset path for this particular image. For creating offset path which is outside this particular image, what you have to do is you have to make one more copy of this, duplicate copy, keep on this, select this, select this particular icon, that is stroke, increase the size. See, now we can see the size is increasing, but in the corners it is getting rounded. So what to do? So this particular option is there in stroke join. Tap over here and this cap option is there. So if you tap on these particular points, you can see it is making changes in this particular stroke. So here you can see. Okay, actually here you can see that it is becoming pointed, but here it's not becoming pointed. Actually it should become pointed in all ends, like it's becoming round in all ends. Similarly it should become pointed or sharp edge at this edge also, but it's okay. Now we'll focus on this particular image. You have to apply the color like white color and just send this particular white color image behind the previous image by clicking over here. So now we can see we have created offset path, which is a white color line outside this particular image. Now we will focus on making offset path which is inside this particular image. Click this image, tap over here, size, increase the size of the stroke again. So now you see that there is one particular stroke size has increased, and with stroke size you can see the outer border and inner border of the stroke. So now last time we used outer border of the stroke as the offset path. Now we are going to use this inner border of the stroke. So how to convert the stroke into a path? Just select this, go to stroke, click over here, slide here. You can see stroke option over here and tap on this convert to path. So our stroke width has got converted in path. We can see. So now this particular path, inner path we are going to use. Now we don't need this particular outer path. For that purpose, you select over here, go to this particular line, click on split path and just tap on this path which you don't want. Okay. We have used the feature. I will show you that feature. Path tool, go to this path and click on the split path and start deleting the outer path. We converted stroke into path. After converting the stroke into path, we could get two paths, inner path and outer path. Outer path we have deleted now. Now only inner path is remaining. In the inner path, we can see the fill is black and stroke is transparent. First, make the stroke visible. So this is the transparency slide. So we have made it visible. We will make it look bright and some visible color like yellow. And we will remove the fill from this particular stroke because we want to see the stroke of the image which was there in blue color. So this stroke is formed. Now we will increase the size. Tap this particular stroke again, go to this size and increase it to 2. Now you can see that inner path is also formed. Okay. So this is the inner path. You can give different styles to this inner path. You can increase the dash and increase the gap between the dash, and the inner path with a different pattern is ready. Okay, now we will revise it again by creating another image. See, now we can see there are three paths. The path which we started, that is in the middle, the path which we have created, this, and path which is white in color, which is offset path, which is broader than the previous path or larger than the previous path. So let's repeat this particular activity again so that we understand how to do it. We will delete this. We will draw something. Select this. Select. Use path tool to connect these two lines. Go to this. Close path. So we can see this path is closed now. We will give fill to this particular path. So this is the fill. The offset path which is outside, which gives sticker like appearance. To create that, just create one more duplicate copy. Stroke, stroke size, increase the stroke size. So outer path is getting ready. Click on this join, tap over here. Now in this example we can see the edges are sharp. Okay. This join option, and these are the options which make changes in this particular corners or joints. So let's tap on this stroke color, make it white, and then send it behind. Tap over here, click over here, position, sorry, from this object, send behind. Okay. Actually, we did not create duplicate copy. That's why we are having only one copy. What we will do is we will create a copy now, which we will keep it in front. Duplicate copy is created. Now we will remove the stroke size to reduce it to 1. So we can see that particular image which we had created earlier. So this is outside stroke path which we have, offset path we have created. Now inside offset path we want to create. Tap on this, create a duplicate copy, and then go to this particular stroke, increase the size, okay, size is created. One copy I will remove. This is the original copy, this is the third copy. We will work on this copy. We want to create a offset path which is inside. Tap on this path, go to stroke, go to convert to path. Now we are going to delete this outside path and we are going to keep inside path. Keep this selected, go to this path tool, select over here, split path, and then we are going to split. That means we are going to delete this particular outside path. Split path. You can actually delete this particular nodes also by selecting this and then tapping on these nodes. Select this, go to this multiple select option, select all the nodes which are visible from the outside path, which we don't want. We want only inside path. Select all these nodes and delete them. so that the outside path gets deleted. Okay, now we have deleted outside path, only inside path is there. Now we can see that inside path is there. We have to increase the stroke as well as give some color to the stroke. So we will give black color this time. We have removed the transparency from the stroke, and we will increase the size of the stroke to 3, and we will remove this particular fill of the stroke by making it transparent. So we have got a new stroke now. Let us see. Yes, this is the stroke. Now you can give the dotted dash pattern or whatever design you want to give to this stroke. So like this we can give different patterns to the stroke. We will put this back over here. So offset paths are ready: outside, middle path, inner path. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for visiting Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samved.